Hey, I'm Hunter from Full Story, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the 9-block tool to help you prioritize your time and build a focused product roadmap. I'm going to document this process using a Google Sheet 9-block template. You can download the starter template in the share post or in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. The template includes a handy priority calculation to help you sort your list items. With that said, let's get started. At the beginning of each quarter, the process starts by compiling a list of all the product improvements, potential new features, and critical bug fixes that need to be made. After you collect this list, the next step is to evaluate the value and cost of each list item. We'll start assigning value as one of the following: high, medium, or low. When making your assessments, you'll want to document the factors you've considered. This will help you rank different projects relative to one another when you're mapping them onto the 9-block. You can document this anywhere, but we like to use a Google slide because it's easy to use when presenting or sharing to other members on the team. The more work you do on this part, the better your outcome will be on the 9-block, so make sure you take your time. Here are a few questions you can ask your team when making the assessments. How many customers or potential customers does this issue affect? Will solving the issue help drive engagement or conversions? How will this effort impact revenue? Next, we evaluate the cost of each list item. Just like value, we assign one of the following: high, medium, or low. Here are questions you can ask your team to get started. How many engineering and design resources will be needed to complete the work, and how long will it take? How will we take the output to market, and who needs to be trained on it? Sales, marketing, or support? Now that we have each list item assessed, let's quickly talk about how prioritization works with the 9-block. Each list item is mapped to a corresponding box based on the value and cost assessments your team gave them. You can see that high priority items are numbered between 1 and 5, medium priority items are 6 and 7, and low priority items are 8 and 9. Now that you understand how prioritization works with the 9-block, let's go ahead and use the formula in the Google Sheet to fill out the priority for each item. Then I'm going to select the columns and sort them by priority. Now you have a prioritized list of all the task items you need to accomplish this quarter. If you want more tips like this, be sure to follow Full Story, and remember to download the Google Sheet template if you haven't already. Till next time.